Welcome to our instructional video on preparing a DIY compost. We are from group 2 ready to present our project. Before that, here are our group members. We have Shuhaira, Fadzillah, Baibing and Zhang. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating your own compost at home.
Composting is a sustainable practice that allows you to recycle organic waste and transform it into nutrient-rich soil for your plants and gardens. Join us as we explore the steps and benefits of composting. Mainly, this video focuses on providing you with a step-by-step guide on how to prepare a DIY compost. We will cover the materials needs, the process involved, and the benefits of composting. Compost is essential for some reason and is being used in advanced social fertility and promoting healthy plant growth. Here are the key reasons why compost is needed. Nutrient and movement. Compost is a natural source of nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential for plant growth. By incorporating compost into the soil, you provide plants with the necessary elements for their development. Soil structure improvement. Compost improves soil structure by enhancing water-holding capacity, drainage, and aeration. It helps that soil retain moisture and improving the porosity of the plant soil, allowing for better root growth and nutrient absorption. Organic waste recycling. Compost allows for the recycling of organic waste material, includes kitchen scraps, yard trimming, and plant matter. Instead of sending those materials to landfill, where they contribute to greenhouse gas emissions, compost covers them into the available resources.
To you the 4 major materials needed as a start. Brown materials are best denoted as containing a lot of carbons and providing the compost microbes with energy to consume, and contributing compost is light and fluffy body based on United States Environmental Protection Agency. For instance, the most well-used brown materials are eggshell, nutshells, shredded paper, and dry leaves, which contain fibrous, dry, and also slow to decay materials, according to Carroll's Beach 2017. Next, green materials are called high nitrogen or nitrogen-rich materials. These materials often decompose relatively fast since they are wet. For example, green materials include coffee ground, kitchen scraps, and tea bags, also extracted from Carroll's Beach 2017. The following materials which are important for compost preparations is air and water. To illustrate, well, air supplies oxygen for breathing, water offers moisture for bacteria to decompose things. In addition, I would like to highlight some things you should and should not do when preparing compost. You are encouraged to use the right tools such as compost thermometers and gloves when composting. For example, it is vital to wear gloves when composting to avoid bacteria and harmful microorganisms. On the other hand, you should not be composting meats, bones, and dairy products because they can attract pests and create unpleasant odor. Moreover, also prevent including animal poos in home compost preparations because they might include dangerous germs or parasites that transform your fertilizer into hazardous trash. Please take note of this tip and let us start composting.
That we need to make a compost. Firstly is pot, secondly is kitchen waste, third is soil, water, dry leaf, eggshells, and egg carton. First step is to put everything in the pot until it's full. Secondly is put the eggshell in the pot. And then put the kitchen waste in the pot and layer it by the soil. And then put the dry leaf in the pot and layer it by the soil again. Next, place the egg carton into the pot and fill it with the soil until it's full. And then compress the ingredient by hand. Last but not least, add some water to keep the compost moist. Cover the compost that we made with plastic bag and wait it for 30 days and it is done.
Introduce the result of the composting to you. Composting is a natural process where organisms, prepared, dried, and broke down, will produce results similar to other composting. First, let us talk about the change of composting 3 times a week. Accelerated decomposition. Composting treatment can accelerate the decomposition process of the organic matter by adding organic matter and treating the composter, providing oxygen and active battery. 3 times a week, composter has reached the mature stage. Source frequent spring cleaning water, diminishing the humidity and ventilation of the compost. 3 times composting treatment provide a stable composting supply, so that water spinach to mention in the medium groups. The branch and the level of water spinach show a green color. Green shade of level appear on the branch of water spinach. After a month, when the compost form a more stable and mature compost, containing a lot of organic matter and naturals, and the soil quality improve. The water spinach had reached a mature stage and appear healthy level and more branch, and the color was the more green, but some will turn yellow. Branches of many levels appear on the branches, mixed with some level appear
In
bifurcation.
conclusion, this video has provided you with a comprehensive guide on how to prepare DIY compost. By composting, you can recycle organic waste, enrich your soil with nutrients, and promote healthy plant growth. Compost serves as a natural soil amendment that improves soil structure, prevents erosion, and reduces waste. Now that you have learned the benefits of composting and the process involving, we encourage you to start your own composting journey. By taking this sustainable approach, you not only enhance your garden's healthy, but also contribute to the greener and more environmentally friendly world. Thank you for watching our video on preparing a DIY compost. We hope it has inspired you to embrace composting and make a positive impact on both your garden and the planet. Happy composting! Thank you for watching our video on preparing a DIY compost.